In this video, we will practice dividing by fractions. So let me start by writing a practice problem. We'll write an improper fraction, 2/5 over 2/3, which means we're dividing the fraction 2/5 by the fraction 2/3. Pause and see if you can solve this one. Okay, so we said when we were working with division by a fraction, it was the same as multiplication by its reciprocal. So if I were to take 2/5 and divide by 2/3, the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2, and so that's what we want to multiply by. Now you can see that we have a 2, we're multiplying by a 2 and dividing by a 2, which negates the operation, and so we're left with 3/5. 1 times 3 in the numerator and 5 times 1 in the denominator gives us an answer of 3/5. Let's make sure we understand why this makes sense. Remember that division is repeated subtraction. If you look at the size of the numerator and the size of the denominator is larger. 2/3 is bigger than 2/5. Therefore, if you try to subtract something larger from something smaller, you can't even do it once. So we couldn't. We could only do it 3/5 of a time. Let's consider another one. Let us take 3/5 and this time divide by 2/3. Practice that one. All we need to do is take the numerator and multiply it by the reciprocal of the denominator. This time, there are no common factors in the numerator and denominator, so we will simply multiply the factors in the numerator and get 9, and multiply the factors in the denominator and get 10, and we're left with a final answer of 9/10. This time, 3/5 is still a little bit smaller than 2/3, so when we try to subtract 2/3 from it, we can't quite do it once, but we came pretty close this time. 9/10 is very close to 1, but a little bit less.